1.5 cups graham cracker crumbs. 1 to 2 cup unsalted butter melted. 24 Oz cream cheese softened. 2 cups sugar. 1 TSP vanilla extract. 3 large eggs. 1 to 2 cups sour cream. 2 TBSP all-purpose flour. 1 lb fresh strawberries sliced. 1 TBSP lemon juice. 1 TBSP cornstarch, optional for thickening. 2 TBSP water, optional for cornstarch slurry. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees, 160 degrees. Mix graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter until well combined. Press the mixture into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Bake for 10 minutes and set aside to cool. Make the cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, beat the softened cream cheese until smooth and creamy. Add sugar and vanilla extract and beat until fully combined. Add eggs 1 at a time, mixing on low speed to avoid overmixing. Add sour cream and flour and mix until smooth. Pour the cheesecake filling over the prepared crust. Bake the cheesecake. Bake for 55–60 minutes until the center is slightly jiggly but mostly set. Turn off the oven, crack the door slightly, and let the cheesecake cool in the oven for 1 hour. Remove and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Make the strawberry topping. In a saucepan, combine the sliced strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice. Cook over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes until the strawberries release their juices. If you want a thicker topping, mix the cornstarch with water and stir into the strawberry mixture. Cook until thickened. Assemble the cheesecake. Once the cheesecake has cooled, pour the strawberry topping over the cheesecake. Chill for an additional 30 minutes before serving.